According to reports, Niron Magnetics allegedly discovered a way to create ultra-high magnetic domain density using a completely different manufacturing process. They reportedly developed a method that lines up far more domains in the same direction than traditional techniques. Instead of letting domains form randomly during cooling, their process apparently controls domain alignment from the very beginning of magnet creation. This breakthrough approach allegedly involves manipulating the crystal structure of the magnetic material at the atomic level. The process reportedly creates conditions where domains naturally align in the same direction instead of scattering randomly. If this technique actually works as claimed, it could solve the domain alignment problem that has limited magnet strength for so long. What this breakthrough could mean for actual device performance has industry experts talking. Magnets with properly aligned domains could potentially deliver the kind of strength improvements that would make electric car motors much smaller and wind turbines far more efficient. The question now is whether this domain alignment technology can prove itself in real-world applications. The 10x performance promise. What if someone claimed they could create magnets 10 times stronger than the ones used today? Most people would call that impossible. But according to sources, that's exactly what Niron Magnetics claims they've achieved. The company reportedly developed magnets that can generate magnetic fields up to 10 times stronger than current rare earth magnets. This sounds like science fiction, but the technology allegedly uses a completely different approach to magnet manufacturing. Industry experts are reportedly skeptical about these dramatic performance claims. Magnetic technology improvements usually happen in tiny steps over many years. When someone claims a 10-fold improvement, experienced engineers naturally question whether it's too good to be true. The magnet industry has seen plenty of breakthrough promises that didn't pan out in real-world testing. Companies have learned to be careful about accepting bold performance claims without thorough verification. Here's what 10 times stronger actually means in practical terms. Electric car motors that currently weigh 200 pounds could potentially shrink down to 20 pounds while delivering the same power. Think of it like having a smartphone battery that's 10 times more powerful but the same size. Wind turbines could generate much more electricity from the same amount of wind. Solar panel tracking systems could move more precisely while using less energy. This level of improvement could make devices lighter, cheaper, and more efficient than anyone thought possible. Laptop computers could become incredibly thin because cooling fans would need much smaller motors. Power tools could run longer on smaller batteries because the motors would waste less energy. Electric bicycles could climb steeper hills while weighing much less than current models. According to reports, Niron's approach focuses on creating much higher magnetic domain density than traditional methods. The company allegedly uses a special manufacturing process that lines up more magnetic domains in the same direction. This reportedly creates stronger magnetic fields without needing more raw materials. The process apparently works with common materials rather than expensive rare earth elements. Here's the question everyone should be asking. If this technology works as claimed, why isn't it everywhere already? The answer involves the complex challenges of scaling new magnet technology. Moving from laboratory samples to mass production takes years of development and testing. Companies need to prove that new magnets work reliably in real devices before manufacturers will adopt them. The magnet industry is reportedly very conservative because failure in motors and generators can be catastrophic.